Hi everyone, my name is Miko Ibriel. I'm the president of Fullprint Manila. So I started the company way back in 2018 because I worked for a multinational printing company, no? So I had the chance to purchase yung sublimation printer nila during that time. So at first, my target market is the like yung mga basketball leagues, mga sports apparel. And then, pandemic hit in 2020. So, nangyari, tumigil muna ako sa paggagawa ng mga sublimation na mga sandals and shirts. And then, I saw the opportunity sa motorcycle community during the pandemic. No, I decided to purchase a Vespa way back late 2020. And then nakita ko sa market, wala pa masyadong nagbebenta ng jersey na ng Vespa yung nakalagay. So when I posted sa marketplace, I started sa marketplace pa online. So nung pinost ko siya sa marketplace, I was surprised na maraming nag-purchase. So during that time, sabi ko magandang i-target yung Vespa community because yun nga, kasama rin ako and I always ride, no? Every weekend nagra-ride ako and also sumasama ako sa iba't ibang mga groups. So Fullprint Manila kasi like meron akong isang nakausap dati nung wala pa akong business. Ang code nila sa sublimation shirt is full print shirt and full print long sleeves. So 2018, sabi ko nauso na yung mga Facebook page, kailangan kong gumawa ng identity. So na-realize ko pwedeng pagsamahin yung full print na code para sa sublimation plus Manila para kahit papaano pang Philippines, or naisip ko noon para mas maganda yung tunog, which is yung full print Manila. Ayan. So 2020 nga, no, I started tapping yung Vespa community. One reason is that I'm a Vespa owner din. So, madali ko silang makausap and at the same time, ma-market yung business kasi nga nakakasama ako sa ride. And nakita ko yung design and yung gustong design ng mga Vespa enthusiast. Ang gusto nila yung mga minimalist. During that time kasi, ang nakikita ko sa market noon, yung medyo loud na sublimation. Kasi sabi nila, pag sublimation, you need to maximize yung color. Pero by 2020 siguro nagbago yung market, no? Tapos ang gusto na ng mga bagong riders yung minimalist design. So diyan pumasok yung mga design namin na pang minimalist na nilagyan ko ng Vespa logo, yan, para at least makater yung mga Vespa enthusiast. So pag nagpagawa kayo kay Fullprint Manila, I have 3 designers, no? So yung 3 designers na yun, iba't iba yung mga forte nila. So for example, you want to have a customized riding jersey, bibigay nyo lang sa amin yung peg designs nyo or yung colorway na gusto nyo or yung logo. Pwede nating i-conceptualize yung mismong jersey dun sa logo nyo. And we have also an option na bibigay namin sa inyo lahat ng mga templates namin. Pipili lang kayo ng gustong-gusto nyong design and then papalitan lang natin yung mga text and colors. So last year, since I'm a rider, no, so iniisip ko yung mga problem na na-encounter ng rider, lalo na yung mga naka-scooters, naka-Vespa, na nahirapan silang mag-jacket pa pag malapit lang yung pupuntahan nila or malapit lang yung ride. So we innovated our riding jersey. Now, available kay Fullprint Manila yung padded riding jersey, no? So ang nagiging problem kasi before, nagpapa-customize sila, pero pag nag-ride sila, tinatakpan din nila ng jacket. So, naisip namin, why not incorporate natin yung pads sa loob ng jersey na pina-customize ng customer or ng client namin. So, we ended up doing yung padded riding jersey. Ang kagandahan sa padded riding jersey is one time mo lang bibilin yung pads and then, ililipat-lipat mo na lang siya kahit sa ang jersey ni Fullprint Manila. Basta may partition siya. So, ang naging namin doon, ang naging battle cry namin is ride in style without compromising your safety. Kasi kahit papano, yung gusto mong design na i-flaunt mo, at the same time, safe ka when you're riding, especially sa mga short rides lang. So I think one of the advantages pag kay Fullprint Manila kayo nagpagawa ng riding jersey is wala kaming minimum, no? So kahit isang piraso lang gusto nyong ipa-customize, for example, for your motovlog or for personal use, tinatanggap po namin, no? And bibigyan po namin kayo ng maraming designs to choose from. Tapos unlimited yung pag-edit na rin natin doon. Like for example, hindi nyo nagustuhan yung color, papalitan natin, wala pong problema. No minimum siya. So for the longest time, online lang talaga si Fullprint Manila since 2018 up to this year. But this year, we decided to put up a cafe. Physical store siya ni Fullprint Manila na pwede kayong pumunta and i-check lahat ng merchandise namin. And also, we're selling also yung masasarap na coffee and pastries, no? So yung Fullprint Manila Cafe is located at Parcal, Macapagal Boulevard in Parañaque City, no? Yung place natin ngayon, katapat niya parking, and nakikipag-tie up kami sa motorcycle brands and motorcycle clubs to held their tambike here sa cafe kasi yung katapat na parking pwede natin siyang gamitin. And you can visit our page din, yung Fullprint Manila, Facebook and Instagram to be updated kung ano yung mga latest happening dito sa cafe. So aside from the motorcycle community na yun yung target market namin, we also cater to corporate accounts and corporate requirements. Like for example, yung mga embroidery na polo shirt, we can do that. And also mga cotton shirt with direct-to-film na process. So pwede rin po. Like for example, yung isang client namin, a BPO company sila na kailangan nila ng shirts for their team building. So nagko-customize din po kami doon. So currently, I am the marketing officer of Vespa Pilipinas. It's an organizing body na gumagawa ng mga events for Vespa enthusiasts per year. So we supply them lahat ng mga freebies like yung mga patches, stickers, leg shield banners, and jerseys and t-shirt na pamimigay doon sa registration sa kasama. So this year, we had yung Vespa Rally, yung endurance race ng Vespa Pilipinas, no? So 500 kilometers yung ride niya. So isa kami doon sa major sponsor nung event. And also yung Vespa Days 2023 and 2024. So sa mga events naman ni Fullprint Manila, dito sa cafe, we have mga partnership with other motorcycle brands like sila Royal Enfield, we have Segway and Triumph motorcycles na nagpapa-test ride sila dito sa cafe. So once again guys, no, if you are in need of a custom riding jersey without minimum order quantity, flexible design, and also affordable prices, visit us at our Facebook and Instagram page, Fullprint Manila. We also have our YouTube and TikTok account, Fullprint Manila. And also we have Lazada and Shopee, Fullprint Manila. So once again, my name is Mikoy Buriel from Fullprint Manila para sa All About Wheels Manila.